Let us discuss the topic about equation of torque for a electric dipole which is placed in a uniform electric field. If you like the video, like it, share it and subscribe the channel for next upcoming videos. So here we are going to discussing topic about the electric dipole. So first of all, what is electric dipole? The definition of electric dipole is a pair of opposite charges separated by a small distance is called electric dipole. Here you are observing a diagram for an electric dipole. So what is dipole? Dipole means a pair of opposite charges. So here you are observing the minus q and plus q. So it means negative charge and positive charge, both is called as a pair. So here these opposite charges are divided within the small distance, that is the 2a. So here this is the image for the electric dipole. When a electric dipole is placed in a uniform electric field, then automatically the torque will be generated in the electric dipole. So let us discuss about the derivation of equation for torque in a electric dipole. So here you are observing the horizontal lines which will be represents the uniform electric field. Already we discussed about the uniform electric field. So here in the uniform electric field, what happens? Wherever at the point, at all points, the intensity of the field will be equal. That is called as a uniform electric field. So here you are observing a dipole which represents a pair of opposite charges minus q and plus q. So when placed a dipole in the field, it will be get some effect, and by this it will be get the some rotation and it will be hanged in the electric field. So here the distance between the two charges is equal to the 2L. So it means here you are observing the points A and B. At the point A, minus q is there. At the point B, plus q is there. So here negative charge is at the point A and positive charge at the point B. So the distance between the A and B is equal to the 2L. And here when we have to derive the equation for torque, here the formula of torque is equal to the force into perpendicular distance. So by substituting the values force and distance in the torque, we will get the equation. So here force is equal to the E into Q. Why? Because we know electric field E is equal to F by Q. So by the equation simply we will get F is equal to QE. So here this force is works at the point positive charge and the negative charge in the opposite directions. So the force F1 is the plus QE at the positive charge and minus QE at the negative charge, and these two forces will be equal and it will be works in the opposite directions. So finally force is equal to the QE. And what is the perpendicular distance? So it is the distance between the two charges which is perpendicular. So it is equal to the Bn. So to find out the value of Bn, here I am taking the triangle ABN. From the triangle ABN, here we are observing the angle theta. So here angle theta is the angle between the electric field to the dipole. So by the triangle, here I am getting sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So sin theta is equal to Bn by AB. So by this equation, Bn is equal to, we will get AB sin theta. But AB is the distance between the two charges. So it is equal to the 2L sin theta. So that's why we will get directly 2L sin theta. Substituting these two values in the torque, we will get tau is equal to QE into 2L sin theta. So here tau is equal to 2L QE sin theta. It is a third equation. But we know by the definition of dipole moment, we will get P is equal to 2L into Q. So it is the product of the charge and the distance. So substituting the moment value in the third equation, we will get tau is equal to PE sin theta. So it is equal to the P cross E. So it is the cross product. So the final equation for the torque is equal to the P cross E. So when you are representing in the letter angle, tau is equal to PE sin theta, and in the cross product it is equal to the tau is equal to P cross E. So here this is the derivation of torque for a electric dipole when placed in the uniform electric field. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts, write comments in comments box.